What kind of cake is that, Lainey?
What kind of cake is that?
Chocolate.
Tres leches. What's it say, Joel?
Come see Lainey.
Read it out loud.
I knew it. Get the baby. I knew it. You were on the phone with
Hey,
Grandma.
tell people, tell
I'm
people.
gonna get a baby. Eat up his
Joel,
mom.
listen.
The only one with a baby. She's getting a baby.
What's it say, Kaylee?
I don't know.
She's getting a
Yes, she
baby.
did. Daddy, read it for him.
It says, eat up, kids. Mama can't be the only one with a belly.
She's having a baby.
We gotta match her belly.
Lainey, why do you
It's a
think?
boy or a girl?
Lainey, why do you think's in my baby? In my belly? What's that?
Baby.
A baby.
What do you
Do
think?
it.
A baby.
You were talking to
Mama's
Grandma,
gonna have a
right?
baby.
I
You're gonna be a big sister.
Yay. You're gonna be a big sister now.
And I'm gonna have a little brother.
What do you think, Lainey?
Is it a boy or a girl?
We don't know
I don't
yet.
know yet.
We'll find out in just a few weeks. Joel, come here. Lainey, don't open the cake yet. What do you think, Joel?
Can I eat the cake?
What do you think about being a big brother again?
I'm already too big.
He's like, yeah, I'm good at that.
Kaylee, what do you
Three
think?
big brothers. Cool.
Lainey? Y'all look at his picture, or her picture. You see the head?
His,
body?
that means it's him.
Let me get a...
We don't know yet.